Okay, try this again. Lily's a little scared right now, but each day she's gotten a little better. So, hopefully she'll come around. Hi, Lily. Pretty girl. She's spayed, declawed, litter trained, 4 to 5 years old, good with kids, cats, and dogs. She's a pretty girl. Yeah, it's okay. She's just terrified. This is Cruella. Cruella's spayed, declawed, 4 years old, litter trained, good with kids and cats, dogs not known. And she's friendly. She's just scared, huh, Cruella? It's okay. I don't know how you can even see. I don't know how you can even see or breathe. Oh. Good girl. Beautiful, beautiful girl. And this is Tango. Oh my gosh. Tango's intact, not declawed. It was a stray, so not much is known. He's friendly.
You're a mommy.
He's a friendly kitty. He's a good boy.
Want to see a picture of the kitty I got here?
And down here is Gabriel. Gabriel's neutered, declawed, microchipped, 5 years old, good with kids, cats, and dogs, and litter trained. My buddy. My buddy. Yeah, it's a good kitty. Got a kitty with a long face. Sorry, buddy.
This is the kitty I got here about a year ago.